Today we are going to be making cereal. Here are the things that you need to make cereal. You need a box of cereal. Today I am making Cheerios. You need milk. You need a bowl. And you need a spoon. You might also need 2 cups. I'll show you what you can do with 2 cups. First, you're going to open the box of cereal. If you need help, you can ask an adult. You can take out the bag and pour it into your bowl. To make it easier for you not to spill, an adult can fill a container with cereal for you. If you have a cup full of cereal, you can pour it in carefully into the bowl. Next, you need milk. You can either pour the milk in to the bowl, or an adult can pour it into a cup for you. You would then take the cup of milk and pour into your bowl. That's it. The last step would be to eat your cereal. You use a spoon to eat cereal.